in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable driver signature enforcement on your Acer device, whether it's a laptop, tablet, or desktop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the power or Windows Start button, select the power icon, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Give us a moment. You can release pressure on the Shift key at this time. And now select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options. Select Advanced Options and then select Startup Settings. Select Restart. So if you want to disable driver signature enforcement on your Acer device, you want to probably tap the F7 or Function 7 key to disable driver signature enforcement. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.